Oh, where they go, rushing up from the outside is Pinoy. Yata ito. Pinoy yata ito. Boy pick up down on the inside on the further outside. Smiling Julia. It's now Pinoy yata ito. Boy pick up by Darrell. Smiling Julia racing third from the outside and moving up is Major Barako. On the further outside, Pip Angelus and Pearl of the Orient is running in 6. And rounding the fourth turn, Pinoy yata ito. On the outside, Smiling Julia Boy pickup. Closing in fourth, Major Barako and Pearl of the Orient as they race the final corner. Pinoy yata ito. On the outside, Smiling Julia. Boy pick up down on the inside, Pearl of the Orient. Major Barako, Angelus. And nearing the finish line, it's now Pearl of the Orient to grab the lead. Pearl of the Orient by about 2. And finally, Pearl of the Orient, Smiling Julia, Angelus. Pinoy yata ito, Boy Pickup, Major Barako, Batang Paco, and Go for Success. Comes last.